Hi, my name's Francesca. I've been at the content creation workshop with the CWTC. All of the tutors were really knowledgeable, helped build confidence and gave some really good and useful information that I hope to take forward and help me progress as a freelancer.
Hi, my name's John Bilal. I just did a little introduction course this morning on content creation. Very rewarding, very informative. Also let me know that I've got a lot more to learn, but it's pointed me in the right direction and put the right pointers on how to move forward from now. So yeah, enjoyed it. Would like to do a bit more as well. So thank you.
Hi, my name's Stephen Cotton. I've just come on a little bit of a course for content and creation. It's opened my eyes to a lot more than I knew before. So I've got a better direction of where I'm going to be going now. So I'd just like to thank everybody at the course today and all the tutors for all the help and all their understanding and answering our questions. Thank you very much.
Hi, I was happy to be here today. I'm studying global business, and basically I'm at this stage because this is only my year one. I'm full with ideas, but I didn't know how to realize some of my plans, which should be quite beneficial. And I think it was one of the best days of this week for me today, and I'm really satisfied with this course. I just encourage anybody to join next time. Thank you.
Hassan Shah, I work for Opal Oldham Personal Advocacy Limited, and I attended the content creation workshop. It was a fantastic little workshop. I think for somebody who would be a beginner, it was especially useful. I think for myself, there were other parts of it that were useful for me rather than the more beginner-focused stuff. But I can totally imagine, especially for some of the people who are attending, for a beginner, it would be a really helpful workshop for them.